welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to connect Revolut with MetaMask. Let's begin. First, open the MetaMask application on your mobile device. Once inside the app, go to the home screen and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Tap on the Buy option to proceed. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. After that, a list of available payment methods will appear. Look for Revolut under the debit or credit card section. You can choose to pay using your Revolut balance or by linking a debit or credit card like MasterCard or Visa through Revolut. Once selected, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transaction. If you are already a Revolut user, your identity is already verified within the Revolut system. This eliminates the need for additional verification steps, making the transaction faster and more convenient. This integration allows you to manage your crypto transactions directly through MetaMask while leveraging Revolut's secure and quick payment features. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.